What is going on, you guys? We have a special 4th of July video for you guys today. We're gonna see if we can light fireworks with the two-step on my car. So as everybody has seen, it's got a really rowdy two-step. On the chip for a minute and see if I can light this bad boy and set her off. Now we're gonna go light off some other fireworks. And of course, we got Big Country behind the camera, and he's wearing his, flannel as usual. So
crashing flannel.
It's about to be a disaster. Let's get right into this thing. Fuck. Terrible. Ow!
No, that's a lot of damage.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Well, that didn't work. What the hell?
It's more violent than I remember. The turbo was spinning until just like a second ago.
I bet. All right, so test one, not possible. We're gonna try it on the wastegate, and if that doesn't work, I guess we're just setting off fireworks the old-fashioned way. We'll let her cool down for just a second here, and I'm gonna try one more time on the wastegate.
Okay, you want me to flip them off or?
No, you can just leave it for a second.
Okay.
I am thoroughly disappointed. I thought that would work.
I'm in danger!
What did he say?
We're good. I think that's enough of that. So, I'll see you guys later. Here's some extras for you. Okay. Coming in, we got a little firework with Big Country.
I'll fucking do it again.
I mean, it's not that
Freaking
impressive.
popping. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
I don't know if it'll work. You got a whole palm full.
He says this. He won't lose his digits this way.
Clinically insane, Your Honor. It's crazy.
Yeah, they just blew up.
All right, ready, Josh? You ready to run?
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, Jesus. Josh doesn't give a frick.
Oh, that's deep.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Are we far back enough? I don't know if we're safe.
I'm in danger.
That's what we thought at the Veterans Backyard Bash, and then we get annihilated. Oh, this is pretty tame. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly. Oh, okay. There we go.
So it's just like a two-step.
Kinda, yeah. There we go.
What the hell is even that?
Is it done? Nope.
Nope.
I feel like this one isn't going to be done for a long time.
Perfect, time to go.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a ton of fun making it. I guess we were just kind of messing around on 4th of July, having a good time. Yeah, we didn't lose any digits, so we're all good. Hopefully all you guys had a great 4th of July, and you guys didn't lose any digits. We got a couple updates coming soon. This guy, as you can see, is just ripping. We got a track day coming up for this guy really soon, so I am very excited to see what this guy's going to run. And the Mustang is going back together as we speak. So we are currently still fighting issues with this thing, but we'll get it figured out. If you want to help me out in any way, the best thing that you guys can do is share my videos with your buddies and see if they like my content like you guys do. Don't try what we did in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.